Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video we are going to see how to increase the font size of dimensions in drafting area. Sometimes the font size of dimensions is very small, it cannot be clearly visible in drawing sheet. So while we drafting, it is much more important factor to consider the font size of dimensions. So first of all you have to select the dimensions which you want to increase the font size. After selecting all dimensions for increasing the font sizes, the dialog box as a property manager is appeared in a column. Here we have to select a others. In a others tab there is a use document font. Just click the use document font. Make sure it will be unclick and go to the font. Here we have changed the height of text. Here you can also specify the text styles, font sizes and styles here. After that you just click OK. Now our dimension sizes is increased successfully. To get the regular updates of my video, please subscribe in my channel. Don't forget to like and share. Just click the notification symbol to get the regular updates. Inshallah, we will meet in next video.